Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Eclipse from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a long curve across near the top. Then from the sides, we're going to bring it out and flick it up at the bottom. Then let's curve it back in underneath. Another small curve out. And then a long curve across to close off the bottom of the head. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start by drawing a curve up and down. And the same thing on the left, leaving a gap in the center. Now at the bottom, let's draw a wavy line across to close off each eye. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a large oval. And now let's color both of these in black. And lastly, on each eye, let's draw two curves out near the top here for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the nose. Let's draw a diamond shape underneath in the center. And then color it in black. Now underneath, let's draw a small line down and curve it out on each side. Now around the mouth here, let's draw the face patch. Let's start in between the eyes and let's draw two curves up and out. Then let's hop underneath each eye and curve it down. And a curve across the bottom. Lastly, for the face here, let's draw a moon shape on the forehead. Let's draw a letter C. And another curve inside. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top and draw the ears. Let's start on top and let's draw two wavy lines up like this. Then let's bring it down and up at the top with a V-shaped point. And another wavy line down and in on both sides. Now let's hop inside each of the ears and let's draw a curve up and back down in the center here. Then on top, we're going to draw a border by curving it up. And bringing it back down. Lastly, for each ear on the bottom corner, let's draw a curve up and back down. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop to the bottom and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head in the center and let's draw two angles down and out. Then let's hop out and let's draw two curves down like this. And connect it on each side with another curve. Now we're going to hop inside and let's draw a border at the bottom by following that same curve across. Now underneath the cape here, let's draw the hands. Let's start on the inside corners and let's draw a curve down and back up, and the same on the right side. And then add 2 curves inside. Now to continue the arm, let's draw a curve out and up on both sides. And let's add a zigzag line across inside. And that's it for the hands and arms. Now underneath, let's continue the body by bringing it down on each side. And a curve across the bottom. Now inside, we're going to draw 2 wavy lines down for the belly patch. Now that we're done the torso, we can draw the back of the cape. From each side, let's draw a curve in towards the body. And another curve inside at the bottom for the border. And that's it for the upper body. Now underneath, let's draw the legs. Let's start underneath on each side and let's draw a long curve down and back up to the center. Now underneath each leg, let's draw 2 lines down. And add a zigzag line across inside. Now for the feet, let's draw a large curve up and back down underneath each leg. And then a curve across to close off the bottom. Then let's hop in and let's draw 2 curves for the toes. And that's it for the body. Lastly, we're going to draw the tail. On the right side here, under the cape, let's draw a wavy line out like this. Now let's curve it back in at the end. Another curve out. And then a long wavy curve back in, stopping just before the leg. Now to close off the tail, let's add another point down and up. And lastly, inside, let's draw a zigzag line across. And that's it for Eclipse. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!